Hey everyone and welcome back to my Scouter soldering series. Have fun! First I want to correct the error in the picture on the left side. In the old one the LRC is connected to pin 22 but it should be 25. The B clock is connected to pin 25 but it should be 26. The D in is connected to 26 but it should be 22. Now it's in the right order again. Today I will sort the parts I soldered already, do some wire management, bundle the ground and power lines and attach the OLED driver board to the ESP32. Put in the speaker and trace the wires around the button and heat shrink the button wires. What happened here? While I was heating the heat shrink tubing, the plastic I attached the button to deformed a little and the button wasn't working correctly. But with some minor adjustments like bending the plastic and rearranging, the button worked perfectly again. Time to bend the remaining legs of the ESP32 so I can solder every remaining wire without any interruptions. Here I found the perfect spot for the amplifier module, trimmed some excess wires, while fitting in the amp I realized that the white wire which I soldered to pin 22 with D in connected to the amplifier was too short. I quickly replaced it and moved on. Let's put everything together and see how it will fit. Adjust the parts a bit and hopefully a perfect alignment will be found naturally, allowing me to close the lid. Here I put every ground wire on one side to have some order in there. By aligning the wires I noticed that the RGB LED wires are a bit too long, so I detached them and resoldered them to the ESP32. That's why it is essential to double check the wire length to avoid duplicating your work. Next, I'm preparing the ground wires to bundle them and solder the main ground line from the ESP32. The great thing about the OLED driver board is that it fits wonderfully to the backside of the ESP32 board. First, I soldered the ground from the ESP32 to the ground bundle. Then I put some insulation tape around the bundle because I want to be able to extend the scouter with some additional parts. Pull the red VCC wire that powers the OLED display down through the other wires and prepare it to bundle it with the other power lines. Get the blue wire for the in of the driver board and solder it to pin 23. Next up is yellow, its clock, and it will be connected to pin 18. Then, I take the orange CS wire and solder it to pin 27. DC is green and it will be attached to pin 17. Lastly, the white wire or reset. This will be connected to pin 13. Now I soldered a red wire to the 3v3 pin on the ESP32. That will serve as the main power line for the soldered parts. Pull it down through the other wires, prepare all power lines and solder them into a bundle and put insulating tape around it. I tried to close the scouter, but a piece of plastic is in the way. Cut it out. And now I can close it. Time to test the solid OLED screen. It seems to work, but I really need to put on some speaker padding. That's it for today. Next time I will add a temperature sensor and also a microphone. The microphone will be used as a sound meter. These are just some nice to have features I added. Thanks for joining me on today's soldering adventure. Until next time, bye.